Good morning, students. Welcome you all again to this English class. Now, I am going to teach you the rest part of the fast prose, the jackal and the rooster, SGP2. Look at page 8 in your English textbook. The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer, cuckoo-doodle-doo. The rooster closed his eyes. Rooster closed his eyes. Rooster बंद कला तार आखि को and sang एवं गीत गाइला louder and clearer. What did the rooster do? The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer. बहुत जोर रे एवं परिष्कार भाव रे गीत गाइला. कुकु डुडुल डू. Then snap. तापरे हठात झांपी नेला बिलुआ. The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. The jackal caught the rooster, धरी नेला rooster को by its neck तार बेकरे and ran एवं दौड़ी पड़े गला. What did the jackal do? The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. Jackal धरी नेला rooster को तार बेकरे एवं दौड़ी पड़े गला. Okay? The owner of the rooster chased behind. से rooster रो जे मालिक ओनर से chased दौड़िला पछरे. Chased means ran after. ता पछरे दौड़िला. Why did the owner run after the jackal? The owner of the rooster chased behind or ran after the jackal to make the rooster free from the jackal's hold. Okay? His wife and sons joined him, also joined his neighbors. तार स्त्री एवं पुओ माने मध्य से दौड़रे जोग देले एवं तार पड़ोसी माने मध्य से दौड़रे जोग देले. Who chased behind the jackal? The owner of the rooster, his wife, his sons and also his neighbors joined with the owner of the rooster. But the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. किंतु jackal टा बहुत आगरे थिला जो माने ता पछरे दौड़ू थिले. In the meantime इति मध्यरे said Mr. Jackal. The rooster in the meantime इति मध्यरे rooster कहिला Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. मु बहुत खुशी तम सहित अछि. Why did it say so? It says so because he wanted to be free from the jackal's hold and he told the lie to befall the jackal. Okay? Mr. Jackal, I am so happy. Mr. Jackal, मु बहुत खुशी to be with you तुम सहित. Without walking, मु न चाली. I am walking, मु चालुछि. Without flying, I am flying. न द उड़ी मध्य मु उडुछि. What a great feeling! कि महान अनुभव. And my owner is a miser. मोर मालिक गुटिए miser. The rooster said, my owner is a miser. मोर मालिक गुटिए कृपण लुक. He never gives me anything to eat. से मते किछि खाइबा पई दिए नाही. Why don't you tell this to them? काहेकि तुमे ए कथा सेमानकु न कहिबो. What did the rooster said? The rooster said, my owner is a miser. He did not give me anything to eat, and you must tell them I am very happy with the company of the jackal. Okay? Now look at the comprehension question. Did the rooster sing closing its eyes? Yes, the rooster sang closing its eyes. What did the jackal do? The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. Who ran after the jackal? The owner of the rooster, his wife, his sons, and also his neighbors ran after the jackal. Why did they chase the jackal? They chased the jackal to make the rooster free from the jackal's hold. Why could not they catch the jackal? They could not catch the jackal because the jackal was very fast and it was much ahead of those running behind it. Why did the jackal say that it was happy to be with the jackal? The rooster said that it was happy to be with the jackal because he told lie to befool the jackal as he wanted to be free from the jackal's hold. Was it really happy or telling a lie? It was not really happy. It was telling a lie. What did it say about its owner? It said that its owner was a miser and he did not give anything to it. What did the rooster ask the jackal to do? The rooster asked the jackal to said the people who are charging it that he was very happy with the company of the jackal. Okay, now SGP 2 discussed and you have answered all the questions. I hope you will be able to answer all the questions and write down in your notebook. Now look at SGP 3. The jackal felt happy with these words of the rooster. jackal बहुत आनंद अनुभव कला with these words ए कथा सुनी of the rooster. As he opened his mouth to say something, ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଖୋଲିଦେଲା ତାର ପାଟିକୁ କିଛି କହିବା ପାଇଁ, the rooster got free and flew up to a tree. ଏବଂ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗଛକୁ ଉଡ଼ି ପଳେଇ ଗଲା. Sitting on the branch of a tree, ଗଛ ଡାଳରେ ବସି, the rooster sang gladly. rooster ଗୀତ ଗାଇଲା ଆନନ୍ଦରେ. I was a fool to believe your lies, to close instead of keeping open my eyes. The rooster sang happily. I was a fool, ମୁଁ ଥିଲି ବୁକା, to believe your lies, ତୋର କଥାକୁ ମିଛ କଥାକୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରି. I closed instead of keeping open my eyes. ମୁଁ ଆଖିକୁ ଖୋଲା ରଖିବା ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ ମୁଁ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲି. I closed, ମୁଁ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲି. Instead of ମାନେ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ, keeping ରଖି, open ଖୋଲା, my eyes ମୋର ଆଖି ଖୋଲା ରଖିବା ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ ମୁଁ ଆଖି ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲି. ତେଣୁ ତୋର କଥାକୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରି ମୁଁ ବୁକା ହେଇଗଲି, ଯାହାର ଫଳ ମୁଁ ପାଇଲି. The jackal wept and said. ଏହା ପରେ jackal wept କାନ୍ଦିଲା ଏବଂ କହିଲା, I am a great fool, ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ମହାନ ବଡ଼ ବୁକା. To believe what you said, ମୁଁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କଲି ତୁ ଯାହା କହିଲୁ. For opening my mouth, ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ଖୋଲିଦେଲି, ମୁଁ ମୋର ପାଟିକୁ ଖୋଲିଦେଲି. I feel really repented, ମୁଁ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛି ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଅନୁତପ୍ତ. ମୁଁ ଅନୁତପ୍ତ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛି ପ୍ରକୃତରେ. Now look at the comprehension question. Try to answer all the questions. Was the jackal happy with what the rooster said? Yes, the jackal was happy with what the rooster said and opened his mouth. What did the rooster do? When the jackal opened its mouth, rooster कौन कला ଯେତେବେଳେ jackal तार मुह खुलीदेला? When the jackal opened its mouth, the rooster flew up to the branch of a tree and sat there singing a song happily. I was a fool to believe your lies. I closed instead of keeping open my eyes. Okay, now come to the next question. What did the rooster do sitting on the branch of a tree? The rooster sang a song happily sitting on the branch of a tree. Did it realize the mistake it made? Yes, it realized the mistake it made, closing its eye instead of keeping them open. What did the jackal do? The jackal repented and wept because he believed the words of the rooster and opened his mouth. Then come to the next question 6. The jackal said something while weeping. What did it say? The jackal said, I was a great fool to believe what you said. For opening my mouth, I feel really repented. Then come to the next question. What was the mistake of the rooster? The mistake of the rooster was to believe the words of the jackal and closing its eyes instead of keeping them open. Then come to the next question. What was the mistake of the jackal? The mistake of the jackal was to believe the words of the rooster and opened his mouth. Both realized their mistake. Yes, both realized their mistake. Who sang? The rooster sang because he saved his life from the jackal's hold. Who wept? The jackal wept because he had lost the rooster forever for his foolishness. Then come to the last question. If two persons quarrel or fight, ଯଦି ଦୁଇଟି ଲୋକ କଜିଆ କରନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ମାରପିଟ କରନ୍ତି, ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ଲାଗନ୍ତି, one that wins, ଯେ କି ଜଣେ ଜିତେ, at the end ଶେଷରେ is said to have the last laugh, ଏବଂ ସେ ଶେଷରେ ହସି ଦିଏ, ଆନନ୍ଦରେ ଶେଷରେ ହସିଥାଏ. Who had the last laugh in the story? ଏହି ଷ୍ଟୋରିରେ କିଏ ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ହସିଥିଲା? ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ the rooster had the last laugh in the story because he had saved his life from a sure death from the jackal's hold. Okay, now I hope you will be able to answer all the questions. Read the story repeatedly and answer all the questions. Write down all the answers on your notebook and remind them repeatedly. Okay, goodbye.